Right by your side. Get on your own, but we don't have to go. We can stay forever.
Of course, we're still talking that talk on Blast Lounge and Blast 98.3 FM. I say have in the studio with me, Dr. Gideon Jenny and Akin Adediji. They're the two gentlemen, of course, talking to us about tech in Nigeria and how to make money off tech. And the last question I asked, of course, that question, which he's about to answer, has to do with what tech courses are actually marketable in Nigeria. So, Doctor, over to you.
Yes,
what
sir.
tech courses? I mean, there's so much you could talk about in tech, but what areas would you advise, based on your experience, areas people could actually concentrate on and could be quite, could do them quite well financially?
All right. For whosoever that want to come to tech and still want to be making huge in tech when you are still in Nigeria, you should take note of the listed courses. One of the best courses that fetches money in Nigeria, and even if you travel out, the first one is artificial intelligence, that is AI. So AI is one of the top course in tech that someone can go into and at the same time they make their money. The fact that you know what you are doing and the fact that you know how to gather resources and turn into money, you make your money. So another area, another course that you can troop in and you still make your money, the software development. In our previous discussion, we talked about different software development, but I told us that there are certain software in Nigeria that fetches money most especially for business owners. So if you are a software developer, you make a lot of money. So you can develop a software for school, for higher institution, for government, both private and public sectors. You can make a software for them. You can design a website for any parastatal in regardless of area they are into. And apart from that one, for business owner, we call the software inventory management system. Inventory management system. So a lot of programmers are making money, cool money, developing, building inventory management system for business. Everybody want to secure their business. So here is where cybersecurity courses come in. So a software developer have access to at least to become a part of cybersecurity personnel, because when you are safeguarding someone's data resources, you are in line with a cybersecurity course. You know, cybersecurity will safeguard data, will safeguard the server and the system. So software development is okay. So you become a software developer. So and you can concentrate on any software that you love to develop. Anyone you picked interest in or will turn to money for you. And apart from that, we have cybersecurity. Don't forget web development, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence, which is AI.
Yeah.
So now, let's talk about financial marketing. So financial marketing is another source that you and I can generate huge from. And that's where Mr. Akin will come in, because me personally, I tag that course, I tag it currency trading. Making money with your experience. So you make huge. So before Mr. Akin comes in, so another area where you can make huge, make your millions is through robotic and surveillance. So robotic training is okay. That's where you learn much about machine learning. So all this you can make huge when you come in and you involve yourself in the practical course. Don't forget to. It will not come to money if you just based on theoretical aspects. I told you earlier, maybe in one of our program here, that computer does not understand English. It does not understand any English, but it understands 0 and 1, which simply means computer itself is based on calculation. So you need to be calculated with whatsoever things you want to do. If you want to come to tech, think twice of which one will fetch me money, because it's because of money that I want to go into this. Yes. So because some people will just come, I want to learn this. Most time I do advise them that You that you say you want to learn this thing. This thing, no, it will not turn to money for you in Nigeria. Even if you travel out, you may not see money. Because there's some people over there, all these white people, they are not a fool. They want to give the work to professionals. And before they will give you work, they have to track down, to get the track down records. Have you done this project for one particular, what can you offer us? So if you have a lesser thing to offer them, it means you won't get anything. So to you, sir, on the financial marketing.
Thank you, Dr. Gideon. Our listeners, good afternoon to you all. We are back again on financial trading. And like we have always been saying, financial trading is a business for all. Either you are engaged fully or partly. You can be a part-time trader if you choose to. You can equally be a full-time financial trader. Like the market, like we also always used to say, the market is wide. You choose any aspect you feel like you can do better. And like we have always been saying, you need to learn. You will not just gain the knowledge or have the experience without you coming to learn. Today, financial market is one of the biggest markets people are leveraging on to make good money. It's one of the best that you can make money from every day, because the financial market runs through the whole week. From Monday to Sunday, the market is open. You know, there are a lot of platforms that trade even on Saturdays and Sunday, like Deriv, for example. And here you make your money. Like you have always said, you don't need too much money to be a financial trader. It's not until you get your millions before you can start trading. No, with some little hundreds of thousands, you are good to go. Just know that the market is wide and there is huge money to be made from a financial market. But you need to be trained. You need to be tutored. And today, I think most of the youths are catching in on this now. The awareness is getting bigger by the day. People are coming to know how viable this market is. Unlike in the time past, people used to see it as a kind of an illegitimate business. But today, the awareness is just spreading, and people are coming in massively to trade this market. You make money there. I mean, daily, it's a daily market. So you can be sure of it every single day. No matter how much you are making. Once it's converted to Naira, it's a lot of money. $10 is about 17,000 Naira. Just $10. Not to talk of when you make 50, 80, 100 in a day. Like I have a small trade before me now. I opened this trade just this morning on the cent account.
Okay.
And I have about $23 now running for the day. It's just a small amount of money. And this is how we are between this market, and God has been helping us.
Because, so talking about this, he talked about, the financial, you need to have maybe hundreds of thousands. He already said hundreds of thousands. And usually the barrier to entry for a lot of times when it comes to businesses or in the world of tech generally is money. You need money to learn how to do this thing, to go for courses. You need to buy this kind of PC, not just any type of PC.
Oh, sure, yes.
You need to buy some heavy so that they can process certain things and the like.
Yes.
In terms of that, what necessarily, how would you advise one goes about this? Someone who doesn't have a job or who doesn't earn so well. I mean, you already gave the example of somebody earning 120,000 or say in a month. And so before the person is able to buy, say, a laptop of maybe 600,000, it will take a while. It will take a while. The person wants to get into ICT, as it were. How would you advise?
All right, sir. To our people at home and to those who really want to come to tech, as we've said earlier, that is the master key to make good money. Doesn't matter if you didn't have much before you come to tech, but the first thing you need to have is to be self-determined. When you are self-determined that I want to achieve this, and believe me, that money will come. And if you want to come in to learn tech, there are some requirements, there are some things that you need to have. One of the first things that you need to have is to have your PC, that is personal computer. But some people who do complain that I didn't have system. Okay, is it possible if I didn't have system, can I still learn tech? Yes, you can still learn tech and become a professional without your PC. But you need to have your Android phone. Very good Android phone that can at least do like 80% of what your system will do. So if you have your Android phone with you, so you are good to go. And learning with us here at GTS E-Learning of Management Science, IT and Vocational Academy, we are not all after money. But we believe on, permit me to say this, and that's the reason why we really want everybody.
I am lost on that.
Okay.
I am lost.
Okay, you are lost. Okay, what I mean is that if you didn't have much, anybody that still want to come to tech without having which they can still come to the world of tech.
Okay.
Have your PC, that is personal computer, or you have your Android phone. When you have your Android phone, now it now remains the training fee. Our training fee is much.
Just 50,000 naira.
Our trading fee is much, but for a blast listener, for whosoever that is hearing us, that is listening to our program here, we've already subsidized the price to 50,000. That's one of our program that we are running for 999,000. That is remain 1,000 to become 1,000,000. So everything now, the cost that we have, that we are running the promo now, is only 50,000 naira for the program. So at the end of the day, the practical experience that you've learned with us will turn to money for you. See, I can tell you anywhere, I can tell anybody that whosoever that come and learn with GTS, their life will never remain the same. Because number one, the boldness is there, the power and the resources is there. There's someone that is commending me this morning. He said, Doctor, knowing you, he's very happy for knowing you because you do encourage us. See, don't you know that encouragement is one of the keys that makes someone to make it in life? So being a tech beginner, if you have all this, you are good to go. So if you are listening to us at any part of the state you might have been listening to us, you can still learn with us. Just log into our website www.gts.org.ng registered. So immediately you register www.gts.org.ng/register. Okay. So when you log into that portal, you fill the form and you submit. So you have to make the payment and you submit. So our phone number, you can also, you see our phone number there, but at the end of the program, we'll call our phone number.
You can call your number, right?
Okay.
We're doing that.
Okay, the phone number is 07065 200 423. 070
Yes.
65
Okay.
200
Okay.
423.
Can you take it one more time?
070 65 200 423. Let me bust your how is it true about tech, a master key? Is it true? How many percent of trust can I have in this statement? Let me tell you, technology is the master key. Whosoever that lose that master key may not get to his or her destination.
Easy now. Sounding so much like it's prophetic here.
Do you understand me?
Right.
Do you understand me? Everybody who are using mobile phone now, and that's one of the power of tech.
Right.
Technology brings in you holding your mobile phone, you transfer money to your friend in school, you can call anybody in diaspora, you all this WhatsApp and others, you see video. These are the power of technology. And this power of technology is not limited to that alone. So content creation, we call some people content writers. Now, there are past occurrences that has happened to you in 1960s, 1940s, things that happens, your personal issues. You can turn into money. Go online, just open one handles. Sit down inside your room. Maybe you can just have like wallpaper so that will beautify that room. Go online, go on live. Share your experience to people. Followers will join. TikTok is one of the source. Another source where you can make money. Technology make it easy for everyone to make money. It's only if you cannot think. So our youth out there, you can make money than government salary. Yes, sir. If you are a
I'm not disputing you. Go on. I'm not disputing you.
Understand.
Yeah.
Government if you secure a job with federal government, they will tell you for start levels 8, first degree order, level 8, step 1, right? They can't give you 250,000. Yes. And you can make 250,000 within a week. Let me tell you, sir, to our listeners, I told someone today that it simply means that I can pay 4 professors. I can pay a professor salary, 4 professor salary in a month. Because in Nigeria, let's say professor is collecting 1 million naira. I'll be 1.5 now that they've increased their salary. It simply means our brother here can pay some professors. See, technology made things easy for everyone. Mr. Lulu he has been here for many months, working here. He's through the power of technology. People are out there listening to us. It's through the power of technology. Now tell me, if technology is not a master key.
All right.
So we just need to get that key.
And get the necessary skill, market that necessary skill, and of course, make money off it. Once again, I'd like you to put out that your platform, that is your website,
Okay,
GTS. Can you call the website again for those who would like to register?
www.gts, G for goat, T for table, S for spoon, gts.org.ng, www.gts.org.ng.
Of course, you'll find necessary information there. Your numbers, once again, for those who might want to reach out to you.
07065200423.
All right, thank you so much, Doctor. I don't know if of course, your partner has some concluding thoughts that is backing
very, very correct.
Yeah.
I just want to say this, that the training for the financial trading arm of the company is still ongoing.
Okay.
So we encourage our youths. And let me just correct an impression here. As for financial trading, you may not really need a PC.
Yes.
Just